Alright, I'm over here at the Riddle residence. Claim number 0895M745Q. It's 4/22/26. It's 69 degrees out. I'm going to be doing a repair attempt on this shingle here. I'm going to be removing this shingle. So in order to do that, I have to unseal and lift up this row and this row. The reason being, each shingle extends up underneath of the 2 rows above it. So what that means is, like I say, I have to up these shingles here in order to remove the fasteners to get this shingle to slide out. What I'm going to be looking for is anything similar to what was covered in the loss. This here is damage that was covered in the loss. You see this cracking, creasing, granule lossage? That's from the shingle being manipulated by the wind. Here's another piece right here, same thing. The shingle's been lifted up by the wind, creating this granule lossage, cracking and creasing. Like I say, I'm going to be looking for anything that affects the water shedding capabilities of this shingle. That's damage. If we do see any of that, this shingle is deemed unrepairable and it's going to require a full replacement on this roof. There's some more here. Damage that was covered in the loss. You can see this cracking and creasing, granule lossage. Alright, I'll go ahead and begin pulling these nails out. Don't see any mat transfer. Okay, we've got some mat transfer here. So this is already a fail. When I put a new shingle back down on here, this can't seal back. There's no way I can seal that back. This is coming up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and continue just to show what happens when we do the full repair, just to kind of give a little bit more evidence as to why this shingle may not be repairable. Like I say, this here is all mat transfer. See the holes in the top? That's why I had to take out the 2 rows. Okay, we've already got some damage here. Right here. Right there, right there, right there. Right here. Okay. Let's say you've got these damages here. See all these granules bouncing around? These are all granules that I just knock loose from this. This crack. You can see this damage here. This roof is unrepairable. So now, in order to fix this one shingle, I've got to continue this succession all the way up and at an angle. So by the time we do one shingle repair, we're replacing 20, and that's spread across 25 different shingles that are damaged on this roof that were covered in the loss. It's a fail. This roof can't be repaired.